Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Betty. In today's video, I will show you how to make hot dog rolls. Please, after watching this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also remember to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's start. The ingredients that we will need are 500 grams of flour, 150 milliliters of warm milk, 50 grams of melted butter, 1 whole egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, and half a teaspoon of salt. For the tools, I have my bowl, a whisk, and my wooden spatula. Start by pouring in the milk, your yeast, your sugar, the egg, and the melted butter. And then mix everything together. Then add in your flour. Followed by your salt. And mix once more. Now dust your working area with flour. Start kneading the dough until it is soft and elastic. Grease your bowl. Then place in your dough. And cover with plastic wrap. Then let it rest for 1 hour. This is our dough after resting for 1 hour. Punch out the air and knead the dough. After that, take it out. and stretch the dough. Then cut into equal pieces. And make balls out of them. Cover and allow to rest for 5 minutes. Roll out the dough. And twist it around the sausage. Now it is time for the egg wash. I have preheated my oven at 170 degrees centigrade and I will bake the rolls for 20 minutes. This is the result of our hot dog rolls. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.